Hey everyone, today we have the Lenovo Thinkpad E15 Gen2 laptop and I'll be doing a quick unboxing and sharing my thoughts and reviews with you all. So let's get started. So inside the box you get some paperwork, safety guide and some sticker. You have the laptop itself which is nicely packed. So inside the box you have your 3 plug power cord and you get your power brick which is a 65 watt charging brick. It also comes with a 45 watt charging brick, but this one is the 65, which is a rapid charger. All right. Okay. So on the top you have your Lenovo branding on the top left hand corner, and on the right hand side you have your ThinkPad logo. Uh, just to let you know, the ThinkPad logo, the dot on the eye on the outside and in the inside illuminates when it's powered on. So to give you a bit overview, IBM was one of the best laptop mainframe manufacturers back in the 60s and the 70s. It was the number one when it comes to retail units that it used to sell, and currently it's still in the top five. Just to give you a brief overview of the pricing, it's about almost close to $1,000, and it's about 165 to 170,000 PKR. Okay, specs wise, it's an Intel i5 11th generation Tiger Lake processor. It comes with the Intel Iris Xe graphics, and the specs on this is the SSD. It's a 256 solid state drive and 16 GB of RAM. And all right, just to give you an overview, it comes with a single DIMM slot inside instead of two, and the maximum RAM that you can upgrade on this is about 32 GB. It has two SSD drive slots. One is 40 millimeters, the other one is 82 millimeter SSD that you can connect to it. And just to give you a brief overview, let's go over some of the features over here. So on the very top you have your webcam, which is a 720 pixel webcam. It also comes with a webcam killer switch or a privacy switch. So right now it's turned on. When you move it towards the right, or when you switch it over to the left, you should see a red dot. As you can see over there, you can see a red dot which tells you that the privacy filter is on. Okay, screen wise, it's a 1080p screen. You also get the option to upgrade it to an IPS, which gives you better pixels and better viewing angles. Okay, coming down. Okay, one of the two other features that I should quickly mention is that it also comes with Wi-Fi 6, which is an added plus, and it comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, which is really nice. Now, looking on the right hand side, you get your power button, which doubles as a fingerprint reader as well, which is really cool, I would say. You have your keyboard. Now, talking about IBM keyboards are one of the best in the industry. Okay, all the keys, if you can see, they're slightly curved towards the middle, and it provides for a really good typing experience. Over here in the center, you have your track point, which is common in Dell Latitude uh, business laptops and so on. Over here you have your trackpad, which is a really good trackpad, really good feel to it and everything. Now, one of the things that I wanted to quickly mention was over here at the function rows, you can see that you have these buttons: mute, volume down, plus, microphone off, brightness, extended display, Wi-Fi. This is for Microsoft Teams. Then you have your call and hang up button and your favorite whatever key that you want to assign to it. Over here you have a full numpad with a short key for a calculator over here. Now, one thing that I noticed is that it has a few extra keys. Like normally when I'm typing on my right hand side, I just have one key and then I have the enter key. But over here I have two keys over here. You have your @ and hashtag symbol. which is normally located on your function F2 and F3 buttons. Sorry, not on the function buttons, but rather on the number buttons, 2 and 3 over here. And the other thing that I notice over here is when you're typing, the shift key on the left hand side is a bit too small. So they give this extra key next to the Z over here, which is not there on a Dell laptop. Other than that, let's look at the ports and the sides. Alright, so looking at the left hand side, first we have the Thunderbolt 4 port, which is also your charging port. The charger comes with a USB type C, so this is where you charge it at. Next you have a USB 3.2 port, which is also your always power on port. Next we have an HDMI port, which is a 1.4. Next you have your headphone and microphone jack combo on the left hand side. It's Kensington lock. It has its RJ45 LAN connector, and then it has another USB 2.0 port. So in my view, just to give you a little overview of this, you can see there are no air ducts over here or on the other side, and that's because it has the vents at the bottom. Okay, so let's quickly check out the boot time. And it's logged in. It's logging in, and there you go. So let me go ahead and do a quick typing test and see how the keyboard is. Okay, so what's my score? You're an octopus. 68 words per minute, 283 characters. Your accuracy was 100%. Congratulations. Awesome. So over here I can see that I still have 11 months remaining on its warranty and that it was shipped to Pakistan. So just to give you an overview of my experience, it is lacking one additional USB port, which could have been a really good plus. It doesn't have the keyboard backlighting, which I would have appreciated. The webcam also comes with an IR sensor that detects when you're in front of your laptop. So if you walk away, and when you come back, the IR sensor is going to detect that there's someone here, and through the webcam detect your face and automatically log you in. So far the performance is pretty good. Okay, it doesn't have any heating issues. It only has a 65 watt rapid charger. You also get the standard 45 watt charger with it. Battery time, it's supposed to give you 8 to 9 hours. In my testing, it's given me about 7.5 to 8 hours, almost close to the mark. It's pretty good on battery. One thing, the screen, it would have been better with an IPS panel. It gives you better darks, and the viewing angles are much more better. Right now it's with the TN panel, it's 53% RGB, which is okay, not bad. So Latitude is supposed to be the budget business laptop, and I think it's pretty good, except for the few issues like it would take me some time to get used to the keyboard. However, you can, through the internal software, map it out to a standard keyboard that you have on a Dell or any other laptop. And so far I would say it's pretty good, but there are better options out there. But since this is my laptop, it was not this is something that I got myself and it was not given to me. So here's my honest feedback and review.